Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 21st, and we are going to take a look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P500, and also Nasdaq. As I said in my Tesla video, you should take a look at it. The FOMC mentioned that they are going to indeed raise the interest rates by 0.75%, as it was pretty much expected. But what maybe was not that expected is that they mentioned that they intend to do another hike of 0.75% later this year. This is maybe what jerked the market a little bit. So let's look at the VIX up 0.83, so 3.06%, closed at 27.99. So this is the first time in almost 2 weeks that we are breaking above our resistance right here at 27.72. So we broke outside of it, and look at this candle. This is an undecided candle because we have the same amount of wick at the bottom than at the top, and we pretty much opened exactly where we closed. So this is an undecided candle, but it's still higher than where we were yesterday. Let's take a look at what happened during the day. So right here between 1:30 and 2:30 in terms of the candle, look at the volatility. The volatility went super high, super fast, came back down, and then it went into the other direction. So this is really showing that things were all over the place. The risk perceived by the option trader went super high, and then no, it went super low, and then it started to slowly go back up. It was a crazy day today. Let's look at Dow Jones. So how did Dow Jones fare? So let me go on the 1 hour chart a little bit here. So we were maintaining ourselves not too bad at around 30,543 yesterday and the day before. And look at what happened today. Look at what happened today because of what we saw on the VIX and everything. And we are finishing down. So Dow Jones is continuing its plunged down. Basically, the market did not like this, I guess, this other hike that we are going to get, and this is the reaction that we are getting. The stock market is falling. So be careful in whatever stocks you own and that you are long into. Just be careful because stock market is not going in the right direction. It's better to buy stock when the indices aren't going up. So right now they are going down. As you are starting to know, we have this downward channel right here, and we also have this steeper downward channel right here. So right now, where are we going for Dow Jones? We could be going, depending on the rate that we are going at, we could be going into this area quite soon. So I'm talking about 28,735. Let's look at the S&P 500. How did it fared? Pretty much the same thing. We had a nice stabilization yesterday, but no, poof, the thing fell through today because of what happened. Nasdaq, same thing. Nasdaq 100, the same thing. So this can be viewed as a shorting opportunity. A shorting opportunity because we had a plateau, we had support, and then support broke. And our stochastic is extremely low. Once support breaks because of the low stochastic, the stock has no power in it. It should be falling. Well, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.